Good morning, family. Today is October 27th, 2025. This is Jim Hawkins, just coming to you with a real short and sweet video. You caught me going into work. Again, post office does not condone this if you happen to see my postal logo. So I just wanted to bring this. If you're not aware, Onews 17 is in your OES. Go check it out, read it. It's concerning still the application process. As Susie McCrae has laid out, and it seems to be the best analogy, we're all going on a jet plane. And as you know, if you've ever traveled on a plane before, there are people that get on the plane prior to its takeoff. They're selected by basically what you by first class or coach or whatever they travel with. But some people go first, some people have to go last, and that's the very way this Victory with Ash is working. Again, don't be upset if you're not on that first group of boarding. You will eventually, the plane is a big boat, a big plane. Sorry, boat. What am I talking about? Boat. Well, boats are similar too. But just to be clear, we're all going to be on board. Just allow the people to get on that are getting on first. Let them get on, and Ash has a plan for us all to be boarded. Again, I just wanted to share. Go back to your OES. Read the Onews 17. Listen to some of the webinars, not the webinars, but the lives. Particularly Susan McCrae, she did a really good, awesome job in describing this analogy of being on board a plane. So again, I hope all is going well. Again, my week last week was pretty hectic between work and we got a lot of stuff going on, and I just wanted to not leave you all hanging. If you follow me all the time, I just wanted to be clear. I'm still here, and I just hope everything is good for you guys around the world, wherever you're at. We pray for all the things that are happening down in Jamaica. There's a hurricane that's sweeping down. I believe it's a Category 5, so our prayers go out with them, as well as all the daily Chris Johnson's always posting the birthday wishes and the prayer list. So if you're not following them, please wish all happy birthday, or be prayerful to all the ones in need. So again, I hope all is well. I love your family. I love you, family. And just be prepared. This week is the last week of October, and as said, October it will be. Things will be ready. Victory with Ash. If you're not aware as well, the platform already has a homepage. If you click on it, if you've seen it, if you've seen the site, it's #VictoryWithAsh.com. It's there, but it's not turned on yet. You can just see what's coming. So if you have not done that or have not seen that, I believe I shared at least what it looks like on my Facebook page. So again, I hope all is well with you guys and you enjoy your day. Listen for Redfern. I believe he will have a pretty good update today. He missed the weekend, but today he'll have a lot of information. So please watch him. As always, please subscribe to our channels. Hit like and subscribe, and hit the notification bell, as well as make comments if you have questions. Again, we'll try to get those answered. So with that, I will talk to you soon when the next bit of information comes out. Peace, everyone, and I love you, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.